Crypto Kings and Queens, we're looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart. I have been calculated some key levels for us to see when the market potentially can create lower highs. Key levels are super good to use because the market usually not always, but most of the time is respecting them. So we can just go back in time and see how the market actually has been behaving around these levels that I'm having for you. And going back in time, we can see the market has been respecting. You can see the market has just bounced in between these levels that I'm having. So the most important levels that we're using right now to see the market bounce between, because we need to focus on where the market is right now. So we're focusing on 51,610, 49,610, 47,610, 45,610, and 43,610, because this is where we are right now. This is on the 4-hour chart. So if we see the market coming up to 49,610, we just might see the market bounce off of that level, maybe come back down to 45,610, and then market just might bounce in between these levels, and obviously we just might see market go up a little bit. But having these key levels in mind is super important, because the market is, as I told you, is always, not always, but most of the time respecting key levels, and that is why they're super good to have in mind when you're looking at the charts, because with that you will understand why the market is respecting certain levels and then continues back down from them.